What's up, everybody? Thanks for checking out ViTAC's Advanced Adventurer First Aid Kit. I got this one here in red. This pouch is awesome. It's got a bunch of different compartments so you can really organize your stuff however you'd like. But I'm gonna walk you through just how it will come for you. Open all these up. And you're gonna see over on this side, you're gonna have a big bottle of eye wash. You got a couple conforming gauzes, an elastic bandage ace wrap. Up front, you got all kinds of Band-Aids. You got drip drop oil, rehydration salts, gloves, CPR mask, med packs for all the stuff you might need in there. We got steri strips in here. We got liquid skin for wound closure, all that stuff in here. An emergency blanket, of course. Over on this side, you got a little bit more of the trauma side. We got a pressure dressing, compressed gauze for if you need to pack any wounds, triangle bandage. Which helps for here, because back here we even got cat tourniquets. We got athletic tape for rolled ankles. We got soap towelettes, all kinds of stuff. We got moleskin. We have gauze pads. We have burn dressings. We have quick clot in here. So we got everything in here you're gonna potentially need, and even more. So you're gonna get even a bag like this, which has tweezers, shears, sutures, nasal pharyngeal, all kinds of stuff. So this pack's really meant for if you're a big time adventurer, you got a little bit more risk, or if you just don't want to go to the doctor for some basic kind of stuff that you can handle at home. All right. So again, thank you guys so much for checking out ViTAC's Adventurer Advanced First Aid Kit. We really appreciate you.